Format a datetime into a string with milliseconds. How can I format a datetime object as a string with milliseconds?
To get a date string with milliseconds, use a column -3 to trim the last 3 digits of %f microseconds. Or shorter. See the Python docs for more %format codes and the Datetime 3-man page for the full list.
With Python 3.6+, you can set ISO formats time spec.
At CAB raised the issue that on some systems, Windows with Python 2.7, the microseconds format %f may incorrectly give 0, so it's not portable to simply trim the last 3 characters. Such systems do not follow the behavior specified by the documentation. The following code carefully formats a timestamp with milliseconds. To get the exact output that the op wanted, we have to strip punctuation characters.
Using Datetime.
Use column -3 to remove the 3 last characters since %f is for microseconds.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.